Alright, let's go ahead and get on our heading for our 3-column notes, your name, number, date, first and last in cursive. Remember to write the date you're actually working on the notes, not necessarily the date I'm writing. Okay, and we are working on converting in our customary system. So here we need to know that 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces. So to find the missing number that would go in this, I'm going to multiply 2 times what we have here, 8. 2 times 8 is 16. So 2 cups is equal to 16 fluid ounces. Okay, here we need to know that 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. So I'm going to multiply that 6 to 2,000. So with customary unit of measure, we have to remember all the different equivalent values. Where in the metric, we just have to know the prefix to know if I'm multiplying by 10, 100, or 1,000. I have 1, 2, 3 placeholders. Moves it over 1, 2, 3 places, and 6 times 2 is 12. So 6 tons is equal to 12,000 pounds. Three yards is how many inches? Well, 1 yard is 36 inches. So 3 times 36, maybe I'll do it this way. 3 groups of 6 is 18. 3 groups of 3 tens is 9 tens, plus 1 more is 10 tens. So 3 yards is 108 inches. Now this time we're going to compare. We want to see which is greater. So when we're comparing, we're going to go from larger units to smaller units. So 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So I have to, pounds are larger, so I'm going to have to convert that one. So 2 pounds, 2 times 16 is 32. Which is greater, 24 ounces or 32 ounces? Well, 32 is greater. So that means that between 24 ounces and 2 pounds, 2 pounds is greater because it's 32 ounces, which is greater than 24 ounces. Okay, here we have miles and yards. Well, miles are much bigger. 1 mile is equal to 1,760 yards. So I'm going to turn miles into yards. So I need 2 of these. 2 groups of 0, 2 groups of 6 tens is 12 tens. 2 groups of 700 is 1400s, plus 1 more is 1500s. 2 groups of 1000 is 2000, plus 1 more is 3000. So we have 3,520 yards and 2,000 yards. Which one is greater? The 3,520 yards is greater. So 2 miles is greater than 2,000 yards. Last one, 3 gallons and 8 quarts. Well, gallons are larger, so I'm going to change my gallons into quarts. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. So 3 gallons would be 12 quarts. So 12 quarts compared to 8 quarts. Well, 12 is greater than 8. So 3 gallons is greater than 8 quarts. So now that we've practiced converting in the customary system, it mainly involves multiplying, but you have to know the different units. So it's a little bit more challenging with metric, but it's the same idea. We've got to multiply to convert, to change from larger to smaller units. All right, now let's go ahead and have some more practice with converting in the customary system. Thank you for joining me.